Yeah, that's right, babe. That's right, babe. That's right, babe. Yeah, that's right, babe.
Let's get to all my cousins. I'm getting my hair done today at the salon. I know it looks like a beauty supply, but it's a salon too. I'm getting braids. Come show them who doing them.
Hi,
Miss Sunray. I don't know how to say your Instagram name. Say your real name.
my name is Raven, but I'm also known as Sunray on Instagram.
I'm put it right here.
Yes.
And this the same girl who did my passion twist that everybody was asking about. So
Yes.
I felt like it would only be right to record this time me getting my hair done by her. So
we're gonna do some Fulani braids.
Okay.
Ghana braids, they're also called that.
yeah, because I did not know how to pronounce it, I'll be honest with you. But so we about to get into that, show y'all how it's done and all that. So y'all about to get the full details on how it's done.
Yes.
So
Up close and personal, we are about to slay her.
so make sure y'all like this video too, because you already know it's gonna be bomb.
Thank you. We'll be back. We're gonna be using this hair. This is a Rasta-free pre-stretched, color number 4. We are gonna do a mixture because she has a beautiful mixture of colors.
Yeah, I got 2 different colors on accident. So
What I'm gonna use to make sure she has no flyaways or frizziness is going to be the Murray's Edge Wax. This stuff.
the edge is popping.
Popping. Yes. This is gonna make sure she has no frizzies, no flyaways. So let's get it done.
Wait, when I take this bonnet off, I am gonna look like Felicia off Friday. So spare me.
Whatever we talk. Yeah, you have a really soft texture.
Thank you.
Your hair absorbs moisture well, it seems like.
Yeah, but it sucks it up fast too.
we can talk, but this is what I'm coming with. This is what I feel like is important to me, because if you don't, and you don't even know what you want, you're going to set yourself up for failure, you know? Like, you need to really take some time, because that's the biggest labor of love you could do for yourself, is to get clear on what it is that you want. Because I don't think you even know what you want, just from talking, because, like, I don't mean that in any, like, disrespectful way or anything, but, like, just from talking, like, you got to know. Because, I mean, it took me a while, too, girl. This is, I sound like I'm, you know, might know a little more older, but, like, it took me some time to get clear on what it is that I want, too. Like, just allowing any old thing, because I didn't even know what I want. Yeah. So I think you need to get clear. If you meet with him for lunch or whatever, be like, these are the things I'm willing to accept. These are the non-negotiables. I would not accept these things if you do at the moment. Is that he shows up and does it, you're done. And but you got to be real strong about it, because you might feel like you really want the relationship, and like really make you feel like you might accept some things that are non-negotiable. So you got to really define what it is that you want. Your standards, your expectations, and your non-negotiables.
All right, I need you to show me.
I want me to do the little chair turn. Listen. You do it from down here, because you can see my hands all in the video. I know. Alright. Put it all to the back and do it. Let's do it all to the back. Yeah. My hands are probably.
Show them.
Yes.
That's the end of this video. Y'all see how I'm looking? Y'all see how I'm looking? Y'all looked rough in the beginning, but not anymore. We got it done.
Yes.
One
and done.
Yes. Y'all let me know if y'all like it in the comments. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram.
Yes.
Look at her page. She does this. She does
Yes,
this.
I do this.
It's regular.
For a living.
It's
if you're
regular.
in LA,
If you're in LA.
come book me. If you're not in LA,
Yeah. Fly
I'll
out here.
travel. Okay? I'm a traveling stylist.
Okay, so I will put both of our Instagrams right here. Make sure you follow us, like this video, and all that. Other than that, I'm out of here. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, that's right, babe. That's right, babe. That's right, babe. Yeah, that's right, babe. Yeah, that's right, babe. That's right, babe.